Hello, I'm Anna, the product manager at ClicData. In this video, you will discover how to use AI across the platform to enhance your data processing and accelerate your work. The ClicData Ask AI feature can be used in every module of the app. In Dataflow, you can use the AI nodes to generate sentiment analysis, translate and summarize text, or ask any question, even outside of the scope of your data. When you are coding, Ask AI is very handy to get the correct syntax for your scripts and queries. In Dataflow, you will find it in the SQL code editor, in dashboards, in the custom CSS editor, and in data scripts in the script editor to code Python. Ask AI is also able to analyze data. Query your data tables directly in the table viewer, or have AI analyze any widget's content on a dashboard. It really makes exploring a lot faster. Now, let's dive in with 3 popular use cases. The first example is using AI to generate a sentiment analysis. Let's follow Manel, a marketer who manages multiple brand accounts on social media. Using the Dataflow sentiment analysis node, she performs an analysis on all the reactions to her posts collected across platforms. She then uses this data to build a dashboard where she can monitor trends and the general brand attractiveness filtered by post type, brand, and social media platform. She also uses the Ask AI node to extract meaningful information from the reactions. For instance, when another brand or a public person is referred to. This enables then to create alerts in which she knows that an immediate action is needed. In our second example, we explore Python code generation with AI. Here we follow Charles, a data analyst in a SaaS company. He's looking to build a predictive model to analyze customer churn using 3 years of historical customer data, and he'll be doing it with Python using data scripts. He is familiar with Python, but he likes to get a head start with AI's help. Charles can simply ask AI in natural language to generate the code for him, and even integrating the native ClicData formulas to use the tables from his account as inputs. Charles can then enhance and adapt the script, saving him precious time, and the mainframe has been generated in seconds. In the third example, let's look at the Ask AI widget that can be built in on any dashboard. Sophie, a data analyst, is building a dashboard to monitor sales performance. She adds the Ask AI widget to the dashboard and connects it to the sales data table. With this widget, Sophie's audience can now directly interact with the data through the dashboard. For instance, they can ask questions like, what were the top selling products in the North region last quarter? The widget processes these questions in natural language, queries the sales data table, and instantly displays the result in an easy to understand format, such as a summary table or plain text. These are only a few examples of how AI can help you. Start using these features today, as they will enhance both your work process and user experience on your dashboards. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to watch our Dataflow and Data Scripts videos as well to become a ClicData master.